An adjustment is a short, sharp thrust into a joint space. Once the joint space has been gapped, makes a cracking noise. What is the cracking noise? Essentially, the cracking noise is the formation of a gas bubble within that joint space. But did you also know that it's not the cracking sound that is therapeutic? The most obvious reason is that the joint in the first place is sitting in the wrong position in the joint, which means the joint doesn't glide properly or rotate properly or just move in the right manner, which can cause discomfort and all sorts of muscle imbalances. So what an adjustment can do is restore the correct mechanics to that joint.